College is a big deal, isn't it? Congratulations, you made it. You're here. It's gonna be new friends, new freedom, new expectations. But if you're entering college right now, there's really there's something really important that you need to hear. Your degree is just the beginning. Yes, you're here for the degree, but that's just one small part of it. What you do outside your syllabus may matter as much, if not more, for your future. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 things that you should actively learn during the next 3-4 years of your life while you're in college, no matter what your major is. Think of this as the unofficial curriculum of your life. Number one, learn how to learn. You're not in school anymore. No one is going to be spoon feeding you forever now. Welcome to adulthood. Master skills like note taking, self-paced learning, summarizing, critical thinking. Yeah, of course, we can use AI tools or some other tools for majority of those things. But if you don't know how to do it yourself, then you will not be able to review the work that AI has done. And most importantly, if at this stage you can teach yourself to learn anything, if you understand that process, you become unstoppable in your career. Number two, master communication. Can you write a clear email? Of course, ChatGPT can do it for you, but can you write a clear email? Can you speak confidently in a group? Can you listen to somebody without interrupting? These are real world superpowers. Join clubs, speak up in class, start a blog, do anything that improves your communication. Number three, build meaningful relationships. Don't just put yourself in a hole in college. Your network is going to be more important to you than anything else in life. And it's not just about LinkedIn connections either. It's the people who will be opening doors for you, people who will be recommending you going forward, people you might even work with one day. Talk to professors, make friends across the years, say yes to conversations, never say no. Number four, develop emotional intelligence. Understand your emotions. Learn how to pause before reacting in situations. Learn how to work in teams. Learn how to handle disagreements and respect different perspectives. Emotional intelligence is what separates good professionals from the great ones. Number five, learn to manage your time, your energy, your money. College teaches you freedom, provides you freedom, but can you manage that freedom? Use calendars, budget your money, prioritize your sleep. And believe me, this is such an underrated advice. Do prioritize your sleep. The earlier you learn this, the fewer regrets you'll have later. And believe me, you're going to do this at some point in your life. Why not now? Number six, get digitally smart. You should be knowing your way around tools that are important, contemporary. For example, Excel, Canva, Notion, AI, data basics. It doesn't matter what degree you are a part of. You have to find a way to learn these digital tools. Learn how to learn from YouTube, free courses, internships. Because tech skills aren't optional anymore. They're expected. Number seven, build a side project or a portfolio. Don't wait for placements 3 years, 4 years down the line. Create something now, through the years. Start a newsletter, a YouTube channel. Create an event, a coding project. I don't know, start a football club for all I care. A side project shows real initiative and it's more powerful than any degree. Number eight, understand yourself. See, college is your lab. Explore interests, reflect on what drains you, reflect on what energizes you. Identify things that help you be the best version of yourself. Take up internships, travel, volunteer, fail, and learn from it. You don't have to find your final path now, but you have to find a way to start figuring out what it's going to be. Number nine, learn how to handle failure. Very important skill. Setbacks are a part of life. Welcome to adulthood. You will fall on your face many times in the next few decades. Things will go wrong. You will mess up. You will lose people, relationships, friends, jobs that don't feel like work, etc., etc. You'll feel lost. Good. Learn how to fail well. That's how you build resilience. And grit and determination will take you further than talent ever will. Last but not the least, number 10, be curious about the world. Don't just chase marks, learn about the world, ask questions. Why do things work the way they do? Are there better ways of doing it? Why is there a problem that I see on a daily basis but it remains unsolved? Read widely, meet people outside your comfort zone. Curiosity turns even average student into great professionals, great thinkers. College is not just a degree, it's a turning point in life. Use these 3 years, 4 years to build your foundation for the next 40 years of your life. And if you want more real world advice, the kind they don't teach in classrooms, hit subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me what you really want to learn during college. Let's build this journey together.